What's up, 10 Skill Squad? Everybody and their brother is making videos about this thing, and we're no different. No. You know, we're part of the cool crowd, right? We got an email from Rlarrlo.
Yeah, I'm not really sure how to pronounce
Rlarrlo?
that. I really don't.
Rlarrlo.
And they asked us if we wanted to check out one of these things. And as soon as I saw that it was a Porsche 917, I said, yes, please. And so, you know, a few weeks later, here it is. I don't know anything about this. I know that everybody's making videos about them and blah, blah, blah. But we're going to give it to you how it is. Yes, this thing was sent to us for free. Yes, they gave us an affiliate link. We're more interested in what this thing is actually like to unbox and live with and use, as opposed to, you know...
Yeah, I mean, they make it seem pretty legit on the box, so it's got me curious.
Carbon fiber bits on it. The layout looks a bit like a mini Infraction.
Kind of, yeah.
It's kind of got like that tub chassis, but Porsche 917.
Yeah. How do you say no to that?
The body alone looks pretty legit. So we're going to take this thing out. We're going to give you our impression on it. We're going to run the thing. We're going to see if it does burnouts. Yep. I hope so. Do you want to unbox it, Ethan?
Sure.
You're only allowed to use this 3D printed Mark IV Super bumper.
Oh. Ta-da! I can't see it.
I can see it. Stickers! There's some gears. There's some double-sided sticky tape. That's always good. We did get the
carbon fiber looking little.
Yeah, dude.
Nice.
Yeah, dude. It's actually pretty heavy.
Don't get.
I get you. Yes. Yes. I like what you've done here. I've said it before, I've said it a bajillion times, man. These little body clip retainers are awesome.
Yes, they are.
You know, arrma was like one of the first ones to do it, and I am glad that more people are jumping on that bandwagon. Holy moly! Okay.
I'm gonna say that
does
fake
not
fiber.
Yeah, that is definitely not real carbon fibre.
No, spare tire.
Spare tire, where it would be on a Porsche 917. Oh my gosh, and it uses XT60 connectors.
Gross.
Yeah. I mean, I know that XT60 is a popular connector. We own none.
No, I have one Venom battery. That is that, I think. Oh, it came with a battery, too.
It did. That's good, because we don't have any XT60.
Oh, I thought that was the motor connector on that. I'm going to throw it on the charger quick.
It comes with a 3300 milliamp hour 2S. But this is a 60 amp ESC, so we can run 3S in this thing if we so desire.
Oh, we definitely will.
We definitely will. I found something on this car that is legit awesome, and Ethan hasn't spotted it yet.
No, I have no idea. Like, I wasn't...
I'll give you a hint. You're looking in the wrong spot.
Well, probably.
You're looking in the wrong spot. There you go.
Oh, the chest? Oh, shit!
Yeah, that's not a sticker.
Whoa!
Isn't that sick?
Yeah.
That's pretty awesome. That's pretty awesome.
That is so cool.
And it is an aluminum chassis. Like,
yeah.
It's the machining on it looks really, really nice too. Again, you know, it has the carbon fiber weave in the plastic. That's not real carbon fiber, but A+ for effort. And if you want to know a way into my heart, just, you know, laser etch 10 Skill Garage.
That is so awesome.
On that thing.
Oh, I love that.
That's so sick. Yeah, so this is the only one. This is one of one. We're like Corvette owners now.
Oh, man.
Wow.
I wonder how much New Balances are.
Let's get on it. So yeah, first impressions.
I like it.
Yeah, the body looks really nice. The details around the headlights are really nice. They actually have, you know, lenses They have lenses on the headlights themselves, and then
Mm-hmm.
of course clear lenses on the Lexan. And they look really nice with little chrome surrounds in there. The tail lights are part of the actual chassis, but again, they're actually pretty detailed. Yeah, the Lexan isn't like a super high quality Lexan, but it looks
But
cool.
it's thick. It's
Yeah.
really thick and not kind of chintzy. And
Yeah.
I also really appreciate the fact that it's not horribly knockoff marketed and say like Smut instead of Summit and
Yeah.
and all the other goofy stuff that they do. Like, just keep it simple. Like,
Yeah,
it's
like
I like that.
Like the WL Toys that just says headphones on it. This is gonna sound so biased because now, like, you know, they sent us the car for free. They wrote our freaking name on it.
So
But
cool.
in all honesty, even the manual that comes with it, full color manual with a full parts breakdown. It has a catalog for just option parts. Like that's actually really legit.
It's looking at that sent me straight back to like X Mods with the nice,
Yes.
pretty colored magazine. Like,
Yeah.
not just these cheap things and you don't know what they look like or really get without going online or anything. Like, I kind of appreciate a real
Yeah.
parts book.
And Traxxas usually sends their upgrade parts, you know, oh, check out our upgrade parts, because the stock components will break. Like, they sell you the truck just so they can sell you the upgrades. I mean, at first glance, nothing in here looks particularly chintzy. Obviously, we haven't run it yet, but, I mean, the shocks look pretty nice. The aluminum shock towers look nice. Everything is really, really, really nicely put together. I mean,
actually, the diffs don't sound grindy and stuff either. Like, they
No.
actually might have grease in them.
the gear mesh sounds nice. Yeah, I didn't really know what to expect, but so far I'm impressed.
Which
It looks really nice.
Which to add with the listening for the diffs, when we get stuff like this, we don't touch them.
Right.
Like, typically, if I bought something, I'm going to open the diffs up, make sure there's grease in them and all that stuff. Like, we
go
just
through,
we,
nut and
we,
bolt the whole car.
Yeah, we don't touch these.
We don't do that.
Just put it together, run it.
Yep.
We want real world experience.
Yes, exactly. Tires feel really.
They do.
Really soft.
That lip in the middle is kind of funky,
Yeah, it is.
but I think that
Oh,
just
we'll burn that
yeah,
off
we'll
real
burn
quick.
that off pretty quick.
I think the only thing left to do is chuck a battery in it.
Yeah.
And there we go. Mm-hmm. Nice little reassuring tone. Boom. You want to give it a rip? Oh, Jesus!
Look at your face is great. those
Oh,
molds
yeah.
left.
Yeah. So the gear mesh sounds aggressive.
Woo! Yeah, it does.
Woo! And that's 2S. This is the stock battery that it came with. I say we take it outside,
Yeah.
give it a little shakedown. Jiminy Crickets, that's a little ripper. It's so much more top heavy. Yeah.
That's hard to keep track of.
All right, I'm gonna say it right now. This is the fastest 2S car we have.
It's got to be up there.
It's the opposite watch. It screams.
It does.
And this is just stock gearing too. Like,
Yeah, it came with other gearing and stuff.
Yeah, it came
And
with other gears. Yeah, I'd say that's fast. Should we look at the bottom and see if our pristine chassis is Oh, we're
not too
good,
bad.
dude. We're
Not too bad
golden.
at all.
Golden. Do you think the 10 skill garage makes it more valuable or less valuable?
Oh, it definitely made it way less valuable.
There's no way I can't be biased about this. They laser etched our name in the bottom, so that is 100% win in my opinion. That was a lot of fun, man. This thing absolutely rips on 2S. The steering is super. Oh, that was wise, wasn't it? The steering is super fast on it and really snappy, really snappy. So, if you wanted to take this around like a road course, holy crap, I think this would be a weapon.
It reminds me of like a 10th scale mini Z.
Yeah, exactly.
It really does.
Yeah. You can be absolutely precise with it. And you can even, if you just want to drive like an absolute jerk like we usually do, you can get it to flip donies. You can even put opposite lock into it and keep spinning donies in it. It handles actually really nice. And this is a 10 scale car, and we were out on a not great road ripping this thing. The exhaust on the rear, it looks cool, it's a nice touch. It has lights, obviously. And we haven't even begun to dig into this thing. We haven't changed the gearing. Nope. We haven't dialed in anything on the transmitter, which actually has quite a bit of adjustment into it. And it's not a bad feeling transmitter, for just being a plastic ready to run. Not bad at all. The possibilities with this thing, we are just getting started. Yeah. This seems like it's a pretty awesome platform. So,
and every single piece of this suspension is adjustable.
Yes,
like in almost every which way, shape, or form. There's all the turnbuckles seem to be adjustable. You can adjust your camber settings in the front and probably the rears. Oh yeah,
absolutely.
It's got a turnbuckle there, and it's neat, and it's got different shock positions as well.
Yep. Yeah, it looks legit. So if you are just getting started, right out of the box, like we just ran it, handles pretty nice.
Yeah.
But if you're a nerd like we can sometimes be, the possibilities for setup on this thing seems like they might be kind of endless. So is it worth all the hype? Well, to me it is, because I didn't pay for it and it's got our name. Did I mention it has our name engraved in it? I don't know. To be totally honest with you, I don't know how much these cost. I have no idea.
I have not. I didn't look at all. So
let's kind of look at the competition. There's not a whole lot of competition out there, but if I had to say, this is going to be pretty similar to like an arrma Vendetta. How much are arrma Vendettas?
Yeah, $369.
So a Vendetta is $369. How much is this?
$199.
$199.
Yeah.
This is $200.
Yep.
And it comes with a battery.
Yep. The brush version's $169.
Okay, so an arrma Vendetta does not come with a battery, right? Like, if you're just getting started, you're still going to need to buy a battery for that thing. Vendettas are cool, and they're a little bit bigger than this.
Yeah, those are considered an 8th scale.
Yeah, so they're a little bit bigger. They're a little bit bigger than this, but a Vendetta looks cool. But this is a Porsche 917. I honestly like this body better than the Vendetta body. This takes me back to 1970s Le Mans.
I don't have a Vendetta, but I don't feel like I need one now.
Yeah. This is sick. A Vendetta does not have an aluminum chassis.
No.
I'll tell you that much. And, for $160 plus a battery more for a Vendetta, I think that's... I'd say that is a pretty fair price. So, is it worth the hype?
I like it so far.
Yeah, I really like it too. But obviously, the one determining factor is going to be durability and longevity. We just gave it a quick rip outside. Got into the stones a couple times, but, the only way to really test this thing is, I think, to throw a big Chungus 3S battery in this thing, go for some speed runs, and really heat up the tire, see if we can smoke these things off. What do you guys want to see us do with this thing? So far, we have $0 invested in it, so let us know if you want to see us do something absolutely crazy with it. Let us know down below. And if this is your first time checking out the channel, welcome. I'm glad you found it. We like to do RC shenanigans like this all the time. And
usually, I tell you what, usually it ends up like this.
If you're driving, it does.
And it didn't happen this time.
Hey, good for you, Ethan.
Yay! I didn't ruin a new car!
We've got some wicked stuff coming up, so you're going to want to stick around. All right, guys. Until next time. Chopping Vendettas out here.
Yeah.
Chopping them.